Have you ever considered what happens to your body when you consistently perform 100 push-ups? Push-ups are an effective way to strengthen your upper body. The shoulders, chest, and triceps all get a good workout. In today's video, we'll talk about the benefits of doing push-ups every day, why you should try to do at least 100 push-ups, and most importantly, what happens to your body when you do this exercise regularly for a period of time. Push-ups are an effective way to strengthen your upper body. Your shoulders, chest, and triceps all get a good workout when you do push-ups correctly. Pull in your abdominal muscles to strengthen your lower back and core. Push-ups can help you build stronger muscles quickly and easily with no special equipment or facility requirements. But have you ever considered what happens to your body when you consistently perform 100 push-ups? You can strengthen your upper body by doing 100 push-ups every day, but keep in mind that after a while, you'll need to vary the types of push-ups you do to prevent your muscles from becoming overworked to any certain routine. Do this activity on a regular basis if you want to push yourself. Try a push-up challenge. The variety of exercises will keep your muscles guessing, leading to better results. In today's video, we'll discuss the benefits of doing push-ups every day, why you should try to do at least 100 of them, and most importantly, what happens to your body when you do this exercise regularly over time. So please be patient and watch the entire video. If this is your first visit to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe so you can build muscles with us. Getting back to the video, let's look more closely at what happens to the body when you do push-ups regularly. The first 1 to 7 days of doing 100 push-ups. Starting with 10 push-ups per day, you'll gradually increase to 15 by the end of the first week by starting slowly. By starting slowly, you'll have more mental clarity to work on your form. Do a straight arm plank to start each workout, and keep these tips in mind. It's important to strike a balance between the muscles of the upper back and the glutes, as well as the shoulder blades. Contract your buttocks and do some ablines. Keep your hips down and your elbows close to your sides, and remember to take deep breaths. Perform each repetition as carefully as possible until it becomes second nature. The next 15 days of doing 100 push-ups. By the third week, you should be able to do more push-ups than you were doing before it became a little overwhelming. It's fine to divide the set into 2 or 3 parts, with rest periods in between if you think you need to, but in most cases, it's preferable to keep going until you reach your goal. Muscles work more vigorously and harder the longer they are stressed. Additionally, moving around has aerobic benefits. However, if you must take a breath in between, try to limit it to no more than a minute. Next 30 to 40 days of doing 100 push-ups. Over the course of a month, you'll be able to increase your push-ups to around 80 to 100. You'll notice that the time of day plays a role. When your muscles are fresh in the morning, you may find it easier to complete the repetitions than later in the day, as the number of repetitions you do increases, so does the importance of breathing properly. Eventually, your body will adjust to the change and you'll feel lighter and more pliable, but this is the important part. Last but not least, if you want to get fit and lose weight, doing 100 push-ups every day is a good and easy way to start. It will make your shoulders and lower back less likely to get hurt, improve your balance and posture, lengthen and strengthen your muscles, and make you more flexible. All of these things will help you do better in sports as well, and with that, see you in the next video.